everyone. Welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering arrays in C with quick MCQs to boost your skills, test your knowledge. Pause the video if you need more time and see how many you get right. Let's get started. What is an array in C? Options are a pointer, a structure, a collection of similar data elements, and a collection of different data types. Option C is correct. Arrays stores multiple elements of the same data type in contiguous memory location. What is the index of first element in C array? Options are -1, 0, 1 and depends on array. Option B is correct. In C, array indexing starts from 0. Which of the following correctly declares an array? Options are given below. Option A is correct. This is the correct syntax for declaring an array of 5 integers. What is the size of this array? Options are 10 bytes, 20 bytes, 40 bytes and cannot be determined. Option C is correct. Which is the correct syntax to assign a value to the third element of an array A? Options are given below. Option A is correct. Indexing starts from 0, so A of 2 is the third element. What is the output of the code? Options are 1, 2, 3 and garbage. Option B is correct. A of 1 refers to the second element, which is 2. What happens if you access an index beyond the array size? Options are compilation error, 0 is returned, runtime error or garbage value, and value is auto-initialized. Option C is correct. Accessing out-of-bound indices leads to undefined behavior. How are arrays passed to a function in C? Options are by value, by reference, by pointer, and B and C. Option D is correct. When you pass an array to a function, it turns into pointer to the first element. Can arrays be multidimensional in C? Options are no, only 1D, yes, and only 2D. Option C is correct. C supports multidimensional array like 2D, 3D, etc. How to declare a 2D arrays of 3 rows and 4 columns? Options are given below. Option A is the correct syntax to declare a 2D array of 3 rows and 4 columns. Which function is used to find the length of a string? Options are len function, length function, strlen function, strsize function. Option C is correct. strlen function returns the number of characters before end of string. What is the output of the following? Options are 0, 1, 2 and garbage value. Option A is correct. Uninitialized elements are set to 0 if partially initialized. How do you initialize all elements of an array to 0? Options are given below. Option B is correct. Initializing with 0 sets all elements to 0. Can array size be negative? Options are yes, no, only in dynamic arrays, only with char arrays. Option B is correct. Negative size is invalid and cause compilation error. What is the maximum number of dimensions an array can have in C? Options are 1, 2, 3 and no official limit. Option D is correct. The limit depends on compiler and system memory. Which is correct for accessing all array elements? Options are given below. Option C is correct. Indexing starts at 0 and ends at n-1. What is the output of the following? Options are easy, easy/0, E, error. Option A is correct. %s prints the full string until end of the string. How many elements are in the following? Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option C is correct. Which format specifier is used to print a character array? Options are %d, %c, %f and %s. Option D is correct. %s is used to print strings. How is a string stored in C? Options are set of integers, arrays of character terminated by /0, arrays of float, and arrays of pointers. Option B is correct. Strings are char arrays ending with a null character. What is the output of this code? Options are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option C is correct. As A of 1, 0 refers to the first element of the second row. Which header file is required for string functions like strlen function and strcopy functions? Options are stdlib.h, string.h, stdio.h and conio.h. Option B is correct. String functions are declared in string.h. Which is a valid string initializations? Options are given below. Option A is correct syntax for initializing a string. What does this code do? Options are ends the string manually, removes last character, adds new line and syntax error. Option A is correct. It manually adds string terminator. Which of the following modifies a string? Options are strcopy, strlen, strcmp and sizeof. Option A is correct. strcopy function copies and modifies destination string. Which of the following is not a valid string functions? Options are strcmp, strcat, strref, strloop. Option D is correct. strloop is not a standard C function. Can we assign one array to another directly? Options are yes, no. Option B is correct. Arrays cannot be assigned directly in C. What is the output of the following? Options are 1, 2, 0 and error. Option B is correct. Which function is used to copy a string in C? Options are copy, strcpy, strcopy and clone. Option B is correct. strcpy copies a string to another. Which of these can hold multiple rows and columns? Options are 1D array, 2D array, variable and pointer. Option D is correct. 2D array stores data in matrix form. How many did you get right? Comment below your score and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will cover MCQs on pointer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.